Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I have something really excited for you. I'm going to do a new Aliexpress haul. But if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so and hit that notification bell as well if you want to be noted every time I upload a new video. But the first items that I got already are some toe spreaders, and I was really on the lookout for some really good ones because most of them are like really big and really hard and they're just not comfortable. So I actually got these very squishy ones. I got them for like €1.10 a pair, and of course if you want any links or anything like that, let me know in the comments down below and I will try to look it up for you guys, because these items I've ordered like in summer 2020 and some took so long to get in, so I'm not quite sure if all the links that I got them from are still available. So yeah, let me know if you see any items that you would like to have a link of, and I will reply to you whether or not with a link or without it if I can't find it, of course. But here I'm already showing you another beautiful pot of gems. You guys know me, I love my gems, and these were beautiful AB crystals in different shapes and sizes. Then I also got some butterfly water decals, and I really love these a lot because a lot of them that I found at AliExpress were all like very colorful and very diverse in color, and I was just on the lookout for some really nice black and white ones, so I actually got 2 sheets. Let me think. I think these were only like 50 cents a sheet or something like that, or really inexpensive. And once again, if you want a link, just let me know and I will try to look it up for you. But yeah, next up I also got some beautiful sakura kind of like cherry blossom nail stickers. These actually are regular nail stickers, so you don't have to dunk them in water or anything like that. And this is quite a big sheet in my opinion, and I really want to do like a how-to video on like how to use nail stickers and how to apply them perfectly. So yeah, I think I'm going to use these for that particular video, and I got that sheet for like 60 or 65 cents in euros, so it was really inexpensive as well. Then I got a couple of bags of beautiful like rectangular diamond shaped gems, and these aren't like super pointy backed, like they do have a slight raise, like a pointy-ish back, but not as pointy as a lot of the like full-on crystals and gems that you find at AliExpress, because you know the ones with the pointy ones are a bit hard to apply if you don't use gel or acrylic or anything like that. Of course, I only use regular nail polishes and gel polishes, so I don't do acrylic either, but I really wanted to try these out and see if I can make them work with regular nail polishes as well, because I love my blinged out nails, and I know that a lot of you that are subscribed to my channel really love that too. So I got a bunch of different ones, and I got these for €1.10 a pack. There are, I think, like 10 gems in each and every single little like package or sachet. Do you call it sachet? A sachet? I don't know, like a little baggy thing. But yeah, that were those already, and those were from Full Beauty if I remember correctly. Then I also got some full false nails. I want to do some more press-on sets, and the nails that I tend to use are quite wide and a little shorter. These are a little bit more like I'd say like delicate, because they are quite narrow and they fit my nails pretty well too. I have quite like narrow nails and narrow fingers, so I think these look very delicate and they really elongate the fingers even more. And yeah, I really want to try out like some new press-on sets with these, so I got a pack of white and a pack of clear, and I do think I got these for like €2 a pack, which is really inexpensive because there are a lot of different sizes in there. Then lastly I got a big package from, I don't even know if it was the original Beauty Big Bang at AliExpress, but I did get this very holographic stamping plate holder and a bunch of plates while at it. It was actually one item, I'd say. It was just a full-on set for one price. I think I paid like €18 for this, like 18, not 80. I'm Dutch, people. Like, English isn't my mother tongue, so I might have a dialect or something like that. But yeah, or a specific accent. But I got 24 plates in this kit as well, and I'm just going to walk through all of them and just end this video and the rambling mostly. So yeah, it isn't a lot of items that I got because I mostly ordered this in summer and it took really long for most of the items to come in. And next to that, I've been mostly hanging out at Aliexpress looking for some cute like Christmas ornaments and stuff like that. So I was mostly focusing on that and not as much on nail stuff because yeah, you know, I already have so much nail items that I don't really go on Aliexpress that often anymore, or there are like specific things that I really want to get, just like the toe spreaders and the false nails and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm just going to leave it here and let you enjoy the rest of the video. Add a little music while at it, and do let me know if you want to have any links or anything like that. And I'm also really curious to hear if you have ever tried any of these stamping plates by Beauty Big Bang that I'm showing you right here, because I've never had any of them, so they're really new to me. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you liked it, and as usual, I love you so much, and I hope to see you in one of my next videos.